Hi all, welcome to Competition Exam Cracker. In this video, we'll be covering the 12th part of Barron's 800 Words with Easy to Remember Images series. In each video, we are covering 20 words, so we are making a whole playlist of 40 videos. So kindly go through the all 40 videos of Barron's 800 Words to complete the series, so that you can cover the high frequency words जिनका एग्जाम में आने की chances काफी ज़्यादा हैं. And with the help of images, you can easily retrieve the word and their meaning in exam pressure. So let's begin with this session. So 221st word that we have is disinterested, which means unprejudiced or objective. So this is very easy word to remember because आप interested काफी बार सुने हो, and interested का exactly opposite is disinterested. So I believe it is very easy word to remember because it is a widely used word. So moving to the next word. Next is disjointed, which means lacking order or coherence or dislocated. So jointed means juda hua, and this is making the jointed word as negative. So you can remember through that. And also with the help of image, जहाँ पे bone is disjointed, so bones जो है वो separate हो गए हैं from one another. So this means disjointed. Moving to the next word. Next is dismiss, which means put away from consideration or reject. So dismiss is again a widely used word. Many of the time you might have heard कि job से dismiss कर दिया means कि उनको job से निकाल दिया. So they have put them away from their consideration or they have rejected their offer. Moving to the next word. The next word is disparage, which means to belittle or किसी को नीचा दिखाना. So you can easily remember this with the help of this image. Otherwise आप इसको डिस्पराग पढ़ सकते हो. Parag is a Hindi name जिसका मतलब होता है sandalwood. So sandal is considered as one of the premium wood. So premium as in sense कि वो सबसे ऊंचा है. So अगर हम लोग उसके आगे डिस लगा रहे हैं, so हम उसको negate कर रहे हैं. So वो ऊंचे को हम नीचा कर रहे हैं. So through that you can remember it really well. Moving to the next word. Next is disparate, which means dissimilar. एंड आप इसको पराठे से याद कर सकते हो कि सारे जो पराठे हैं वो एक जैसे ही बनते हैं. उनका साइज, शेप, टेस्ट इज almost similar. So if we are putting this before that, so we are making it dissimilar. So with that you can remember and connect these two words. Moving to the next word. Next is December, which means to pretend, disguise one's motive, or to hide under a false appearance. So you can remember it with the help of this image. Otherwise आप इसको assemble से याद रख सकते हो. So assemble means to connect, एक चीज दूसरे चीज से जुड़ी हुई है. So अगर आप उसको डिसेंबल करोगे, so वहां पे एक दूसरे का जुड़ाव जो होगा वो टूट जाएगा. And if people are not connected enough, so they try to pretend to be connected, or they have to hide under a false appearance. So through that you can remember dissemble with the help of assemble. Moving to the next word. Next is disseminate, which means to spread or scatter or disperse. So with the help of image, it is really easy. ये broadcasting image है. So broadcast हो रहा है, which means information or images are disseminated. But if you want to remember with the help of the word itself, so आप इसको ऐसे पढ़ सकते हो कि dis से minate. So ये थोड़ा सा tricky है, जिसमें आप कैरी मिनाटे को जानते हो. सो कैरी मिनाटे का ये मिनाटे आप ले लो. सो अगर आप डिस से देख रहे हो, सो इंफॉर्मेशन इज डिसेमिनेटिंग फ्रॉम डिस, एंड डिस से आप मिनाटे को देख पा रहे हो. सो विद दैट यू कैन रिमेंबर दिस वर्ड. मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट वर्ड. सो द नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज डिसिडेंट, which means a person who disagrees about belief. So you can remember it with the help of the image of Abhishek. Otherwise you can connect it with resident, क्योंकि ये काफी सिमिलर साउंडिंग वर्ड है, रेसिडेंट, डिसिडेंट. So if an individual is not a resident of a particular area, so he may not be aware about the beliefs and all. And if he visit that particular residency once, so it is very difficult for him to accept all the beliefs that the resident is already having. So he may disagree about certain beliefs. So through that you can remember. And also you can connect it with some images of people coming from abroad. So जो भी हमारा mythological belief है, they tend to disagree about those because they have never been a resident of our country. So through that story, you can remember. So moving to the next word. Next word that we have is dissolution, which means disintegration. So अगर आप इसको ध्यान से देखोगे, so it is dissolution. And आपने साइंस में पढ़ा होगा कि solution of salt and water, wherein salt जो है वो पानी में घुल जा रहा है. So वो घोल का अगर आप opposite निकालोगे, so this is disintegration, जहाँ पे वो दोनों separate हो रहे हैं. So with that you can easily remember, or with the help of the image also it becomes very easy to remember dissolution word. Moving to the next word. So the next word that we have is dissonance, which means discord or lack of harmony. So if you observe this word very carefully, so यहाँ पे dis, which means sentence negative, और sonance. So अगर आप इसको हिंदी में पढ़ो, so ये सोना, that means gold है. So dissonance means absence of gold. So if you have watched Money Heist, जब प्रोफेसर सारा सोना चुरा लेता है and he enters into the bank for negotiating, so उस टाइम पे पूरे स्टेट में lack of harmony हो जाती है because of the absence of sona. So this means negating and sona means gold. So for absence of gold, पूरे स्टेट में lack of harmony हो जाती है. So with that scene, you can remember the word dissonance. That makes it very easy to remember. Moving to the next word. Next is distend, which means to expand or swell out. And you can easily remember with the help of this image, जहाँ पे एक normal stomach, distended stomach and very distended stomach है. But still, if you want to remember this word with the help of this word itself, so आप इसको as a distance पढ़ सकते हो. So अगर आपसे distance बढ़ रहा है किसी चीज का, so it is like going away from you. So अगर आप ये stomach देखो, so इसके दोनों corners are near to each other, जबकि ये distend हो गया है तो इसके both corners are set apart now and इसके very set apart. So through that you can remember कि distant अगर हो रहा है तो वो चीजें expand हो रही है. So it is little tricky, but still you can remember it. Moving to the next word. Next is distill, which means to extract a essential element. So you can remember it really well with the help of the image. But still अगर आप इसको word से याद रखना चाहते हो, so if you break this word, so it is distill. So suppose आपने पानी में कुछ डस्ट डाला हुआ है एंड आपने उसको स्टिल रख दिया है, ठहरा के रख दिया है. सो सारा डस्ट जो है वो नीचे चला जाएगा एंड देन यू आर डिस्टिलिंग इट. आप उसको उसके ठहराव को हिला रहे हो एंड आप उसके सारे पानी को निकाल रहे हो. सो यू आर एक्सट्रैक्टिंग वाटर फ्रॉम द डस्ट. सो उस स्टोरी से भी आप इसको कनेक्ट करके याद रख सकते हो. मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट वर्ड. नेक्स्ट इज distract, which means unattentive or preoccupied. So with the help of the image, it is very easy to remember. Otherwise, आप इसको break करके भी याद रख सकते हो, wherein you can treat dis and trait as a separate word. So अगर आपने trait word सुना हो, so एक word होता है personality trait. So personality trait tells you about your personality, how is your personality actually is. So आपके पर्सनालिटी का जो डिस चीज है, जो नेगेटिव चीज है, वो यही है कि आप अटेंटिव नहीं रहते. So if you can connect both this statement, so it is very easy word to remember. Moving ahead. Next is diverge. So I have covered this word in converge as well. So converge means जब बहुत सारी चीजों से एक चीज बन रही है, काफी सारे ways एक way में आके मिल जा रहे हैं, that is converge. And diverge is to vary, go in different direction from the same point. So just opposite of converge is diverge. And you can connect both these words so that आप side by side antonym synonym में भी इनको याद रख सको. So moving to the next word. Next is divest, which means to strip or deprive or rid of. So आप इसको invest का opposite मान के भी याद रख सकते हो. So invest means to put in some money to get the possession of something. So किसी चीज को खरीदने के लिए अगर आप पैसे डाल रहे हो, so that is invest. And अगर आप अपना पैसा निकाल के उस चीज से rid off होना चाहते हो, so that is divest. So with the help of invest word, you can easily remember the divest as well. Moving to the next word. Next word that we have is diverge, which means to make known something that is secret. And with the help of this image, you can easily remember this word. Otherwise, by breaking this word and playing around it, you can easily remember. So to break this word, this is div and this is ulge. So ulge को अगर आप पढ़ोगे तो उगले जैसा लगता है. So ugle is something ugalna in Hindi, which means to speak up something that is not meant to be spoken. So आप उससे याद रख सकते हो कि आप कुछ उगल रहे हो. So divulge को आप div उलगे की तरह पढ़ो and उलगे से आप उगलने को कनेक्ट कर सकते हो and through that you can remember कि you are making something known that was secret. So you can remember it really well. Moving ahead. So the next word that we have is doctrinaire, which means dogmatic or unyielding, or a person who is inflexible, जो change accept ना करे या change ना हो. So we call them as a dogmatic or doctrinaire. So आप इसको डॉक्टर नायर के साथ कनेक्ट कर सकते हो. So you have to assume a personality जहाँ पे डॉक्टर नायर is a dogmatic person जो inflexible है, जो चीजों को accept नहीं करते, and he believes in a conventional approach only. So through that you can remember this word. Moving ahead. So the next word that we have is document, which means to provide with a written evidence to support. And document is very widely used word, so I don't think कि आपको इसमें कोई help की जरूरत है. But again, if you observe this word, तो इसमें doc आता है, and Google का एक application है with the name doc, जिसका logo is mentioned in the image. So आप Google Doc में writing कर सकते हो. So with that you can remember कि we have to provide anything in a written format. So with that you can remember it very easily. Moving to the next word. So the next word is doggerel, which means poor verse. तो कोई विदाउट राइम या फिर विदाउट म्यूजिक कोई सॉन्ग है तो उसको हम एज ए डॉगरेल कॉल कर सकते हैं. सो आप डॉग, गे और रेल को सेपरेट करके पढ़ सकते हो, वेरिन आपको डॉग को एज ए डॉग ही कंसिडर करना है, जीई को एज ए गा कंसिडर करना है, और REL को एज ए रील कंसिडर करना है. सो व्हेन डॉग, गा, रील. So when dog is singing on reel, that is Instagram reel, so वो कैसे गाएगा? Because dog is not a professional singer, तो वो कैसे गाएगा? So वो without rhyme, without music गाएगा. That will be a poor verse. So when dog, ga, dog is singing on reel, so we are having a poor verse. So it is little tricky, but if you focus little more, so it is very easy word to remember. Moving to the next word. Next is dogmatic, which means stating opinion without proof. So again हमने last to last word में भी same cover किया. So you can remember it with the help of the image, जहाँ पे surf excel matic हमने रखा है. So matic matic दोनों आप as similar consider कर सकते हो. So surf excel matic जिद्दी से जिद्दी दाग छुड़ाता है with proof, and dogmatic जिद कर लेता है that even without any proof. So you can connect both these things and remember this word. So moving ahead. So with this, we have covered the 12th part of Barron's 800 words with easy to remember images series. And if you are enjoying the video, so kindly like, share and subscribe. And I'll recommend you to complete the entire series so that you have a better grip on the vocab section. And believe me, ये Barron's के 800 words की frequency in exam is very high. वो काफी बार exams में पूछे जाते हैं. So if you're covering it really well, so आपके 70 to 80% vocab is done. So kindly dedicate some time and complete the whole series so that in exam you have a upper edge. So with that note, we are ending this session. We'll meet in next part of the video. Till then, keep learning.